Okay, this is video number 5. I'm still showing you 2 more examples on how to calculate FIT withholding. Here's the fact. She earns a monthly salary of $3,000. She's paid biweekly. Her W-4 says single with no entries. First thing I need to do is annualize her salary and then divide by 26 because it's biweekly. Her gross pay each pay period is $1,384.62. I'm going to use the tax table B on page T7, and she's single, so I brought it in here. So we're looking for 13.8, first of all, biweekly, and I'm over here under single. 1384 goes in here, so I'm going to come all the way over here to single, and her tax is 101. As you can see, 101. So I'm showing you how to calculate it. Okay, last example. For her heart's annual salary is $485,000. I'm going to tell you right now he's going to be on the percentage method. He's paid semi-monthly. His W-4 says married, filing jointly with no entries. So the first thing I'm going to do is take his annual, divide by 24. So his gross pay each pay period is $20,208. I'm going to use tax table B on T3. And it's going to make sure I need semi-monthly and married filed jointly with standard withholding. So this is one of those scenarios where we were looking for $20,208. So it's at least this much, but not over this. So it's going to be a flat tax of $3,947.48 plus 35% in the excess over 18,313. So let me back up. So it's 3,947 plus 35% of the excess over 18,000 times 35% added to this, and this is his total tax. So here are some examples on how to use the tax tables. This is going to be your hardest problem, is using these tax tables and making sure you're on the right table. And there are other things here, I'm not going to get into because I don't want to continue. I'm not going to do the whole chapter. I really want to show you how to do things. But there's other things you need to read about supplemental wages and how withholding is for that. And gross up, you need to look at that. And so I'm not going to actually finish talking about the rest of this chapter. This is the end of chapter 4, video 5. Continue reading the rest of the PowerPoint slides, and I'll give you some idea how things go. Thank you for listening.